So as it is only 8 o'clock, I hope, where's my speaker? I always, okay, I'm covering it up. It's only 8 o'clock. It's bedtime. I'm not staying up until midnight, but I wanted to do a quick video about some New Year's resolutions. I really don't do them. Someone played up our Christmas lights. Anyway, so I normally don't do them because I never can hold to anything. There's a couple things that I want to do this year. One thing is I need to lose weight. Any amount is good. I'd like to lose 50 pounds, but that's probably not going to happen. But I'll deal with 30. Let's see, I'd like to get some of our major projects done. We need to finish our main bathroom down here on the first floor. We need to finish the laundry room and organize the basement, the bigger new basement that we have because it's so filled with so much stuff. And I want to get the house decorated. The house decorated, decluttered, organized as much as I can. And I also want to try to be a better mom and a better wife. Those things are hard to accomplish. I have another video coming later on as my kids like run around crazy at 8 o'clock at night. But yeah, so I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year.